Okay, here's one of those we were practicing in class today. We know that the surface area formula equals PH plus 2B, but this B has to be changed because the base is not a rectangle, it's a triangle. So we need 1/2 base times height there. And the 2 still is there because there's one on this side and there's one over there on that side, right? So let's talk about what the P is. The P is the perimeter of this triangle. So you're adding these 3 numbers together and you're putting it right here. The height, the funny thing about it is this is it in that scenario. So that's what you're going to put there. And then 2, 1/2, the base of the triangle, see it right here, and the height of the triangle in the situation, see it right here, right? So perimeter, we're going to add 3 and 4 and 5. What do you get? The height, strange as it may seem, that's where you get that H from. And then the base of the triangle is 4. And the height of the triangle is 3. The first H, the second H, okay?